You know that buyer that borrows his kid's t-shirt, throws on a flat brim hat and is trying to look cool? Well, that might be the guy who's looking for this house, because this is not your move-in, this is your forever property. Come check it out. I'm sitting in 13 Heritage Lakeway. This is 2,700 square foot, former show home. It's good. It's good on every level. I've got 4 bedrooms upstairs, bonus room, killer spot to play tag with dual stairs. All right, let's talk upgrades. This place has new roof, triple pane windows. The mechanicals have been touched. The kitchen has been touched. There is so many upgrades in this property, you will not believe it. Scott McMillan, McMillan team, give us a call. I'd love to give you a private tour.